Welcome back to our channel. We finally started butchering our pig this year. They just arrived, but we need to fill up the freezer. And yes, it is a lot easier this time because last year, nagkatay kami ng baboy sa floor kasi wala kaming hoist. And in today's video, share ko sa inyo kung paano namin ginawa itong setup ng ating hoist at magkano yung ating expense. Last year, napakahirap pagkatay ng ating baboy kasi sa floor lang kami, naglagay lang kami ng pallet para sa pagkatay ng ating baboy. Sa pag-scalding, napakahirap kasi nakayuko kami on the floor for hours, and paglinis din ng ating pig, nandun kami sa floor for hours, and it's hard on the back. Now this time, nag-setup kami ng hoist. So sa structural frame, gumawa lang kami ng A-frame, and this is 2x4 A-frame, 2x4x8. Same din dun sa kabila, 2x4, at saka yung sa taas is 2x4, so it's solid. And yung support naman is 2x2. Naglagay din kami ng support doon sa likod, which is 2x4 din siya. Now, hindi tayo karpintero, so DIY lang tayo, and this is solid at saka nasubukan na naming magkatay, so it can handle weights. Now, sa A-frame natin, nasa $3.50 ang 2x4, and nakagamit tayo ng 6 na 2x4x8. Now, yung A-frame natin, pinagitnaan natin yung ating 2x8. So, yung middle niya is 6 foot. And then, 1 foot yung nasa labas.
Nice.
So, talagang dinesign namin ng ganyan para mas solid yung sa gitna, makaka-handle siya ng weights. And also, plano kong maglagay ng mga screw or nails dyan para maghang tayo ng mga tools. Katulad ng ginawa natin dito. Ito ay yung hanging weight natin. So kung titimbangin. Next up is yung hoist.
Oh no!
So yung hoist natin, binili natin ito sa Amazon. Spectar. So yan yung brand. So, yan yung hoist natin. Hindi tayo sponsor, and mabibili natin itong hoist na ito sa Amazon. It's $80 yung sa hoist, and rated siya for 4,000 pounds. So, more than enough siya para sa capacity ng baboy. So, ito yung DIY natin na hanging ng pig. So, ito yung hook ng hoist, and ginamitan natin ng 2x4. This is 16 inches. I could have used longer. So, suggest ko mas longer dito. Maybe 20 inches para mas open yung legs ng baboy pag hinang mo siya. So I think I need to change this one too. Kasi nung naghang kami, hindi masyadong open yung back legs ng baboy para mapadali yung pag-cut niya in half. Now, ginamitan natin ng U-bolt dito sa gitna. Yan. Para balance yung paghang natin ng baboy. And it cost me like $4 dito sa U-bolt. And then, mayroon tayong dalawang S-hook. This is $5. I think this is 4 inches S-hook. $4 each. And then also, naglagay tayo ng I-bolt. Drill natin yan. And then lock dito sa taas para mahang yung baboy. So make sure mo lang na balance yung paglagay mo ng baboy pag na-hook mo na yung dalawa, kasi may tendency na mag-swing siya. So pag inangat mo na yung baboy, mapapadali siya pag balance yung pagka-hook mo ng baboy sa paa. And note as well, I think we will also make these changes in the future. If you're cutting a 300 pounds pig, I think you need a longer frame for this one, because the A-frame is not enough. The 8-foot A-frame that we made is not enough. Kasi yung bunganga ng baboy nakadikit sa floor and narurumihan. So kung mas mataas yung makukuha mo, like 12 foot na 2x4, then you can make it higher para mas mataas yung paghang mo ng baboy. Now, the cutting and processing made it easier because everything is hung and it's within your eye level, so you don't have to bend over to cut or check things or scald the pig, so it was easier. Now, I showed you earlier as well with this, we also use this for hanging weight. So if you want to weight your pig before you start doing the process, now you can use this and hang it into the hoist and then lift the pig. There you go. And this is also rated 400 kilograms, so it is enough, more than enough actually, for the pig to weigh them using this. So overall, with the processing of the pig, it made it a lot easier and efficient. And I was butchering the pig myself for our own freezer, and it took me probably like 3-4 hours to do the cleaning and chopping of all the pig. That was 300 pounds pig, and last year it took me probably like 7-8 hours, because that was the whole day for me to process without this hoist, and I was able to cut it in half. So hopefully in the future, once I get the better knowledge on how to cut the pig, then I'll probably be able to cut it the time in half again. And we are learning as we go along. So this is the big improvement that we have this year. I just wanted to share how we were able to accomplish this and what are the expense for having this hoist. To do a quick recap, overall, I think I spent like 130 bucks to get this hoist set up, to make the butchering a little bit easier. And this time I was able to cut the time in half. So hopefully in the future, once I get to learn more on how to cut the pigs easier and faster and more efficient, like other people who are expert in that field, then I can cut and process the pig a lot faster. And if you like this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.